Hello folks, how's it going? In this video, what I wanted to do is I wanted to bring you guys some real life experience on a client of mine who went ahead and purchased a vehicle this weekend. So I went ahead and went with her to go ahead and help negotiate on her behalf. So what I'm going to talk about is what it means to you guys if you want to not work on your credit and try to go purchase a car with bad credit. So here we are. I'm going to go ahead and talk about some things on here so that we can give you guys an idea of where we are. So the first thing I want to draw your guys' attention to is right here, the deal date. This was January 6, 2018. This was 3 days ago. It was Saturday that just passed. Okay, this is for a 2016 Toyota Camry. Mileage is 10,551 miles. Um, Folks, I went ahead and found this client, her vehicle. Okay, I found her the vehicle, negotiated the best possible price for her on this vehicle, and here's what my client is looking at. Okay, so as you look here, I was able to get the car amount down to 14,800. Initially, they wanted 15,877, so I got them down a little over $1,000. With all the fees, license fees, taxes, document fees, total price came out to $16,595.80. Okay. Um, with a $5,000 deposit, the loan amount was going to be for $11,595.80. So as you can see in this box here, I've went ahead and done the breakdown. This is a 72-month loan, as you can see here, 72 months with 20.24% interest. So it's 20.25% interest. Payments here are $285.39. 72 payments of $285.39 is a little over $20,500. With a down payment, this vehicle is going to cost her $25,548.08. Okay. Now, if she would have came to me first prior to wanting to buy the car, um, we would have done things a lot differently. And I know it looks like a bad story, but I'm going to explain to you guys how I'm actually going to help my client um, with improving her credit by the purchase of this vehicle. Okay. So, had she have had good credit, um, with the amount here and a $5,000 payment, I think I put the wrong numbers in here. So this payment would actually be a little bit lower. But, whatever the case is. Um, as you can see here, if she had good credit, she would be looking for the loan of $11,846 for 60 months rather than 72. So by that, by having good credit, she would automatically cut down 1 year of payments, cut that out altogether. So as you can see here, 5 years at $213, you're looking at $12,780. So the savings on the payments is a little over $7,700 over the life of the loan. Total payments would be $17,780. So as you can see, by having good credit, you guys are going to save a ton of money. Okay, so that's the first thing I wanted to talk about. Now, my client actually has the money to purchase the vehicle um, by cash. However, um, given her situation, what we're going to do is we're going to be paying this loan down over the next 4 months. Okay, so let me explain how we're going to do that. We have an unpaid balance of about 11,600. What we're going to do is we're going to pay $3,000 next month, $3,000 the following month, $3,000 the next month. So for the next 3 months, we're going to pay $3,000 a piece. That's going to give us 9,000. That fourth month, what we're going to do is we're going to pay it all the way down to, we're going to pay everything off except for $68 because that's the amount of months that's going to be remaining on the loan. So everything is going to be paid. except for the $68. And then what I'm going to instruct her to do is pay $1 a month until the loan is paid off. What this is going to do is it's going to help her. It's going to help her credit by giving her an installment loan on the credit report, and it's going to be showing advanced payment. So it's going to look like she's had history by paying this car payment for years when she's only had it for a few months. So this is one of the tips and tricks that we use here to prove my score to try to go ahead and help assist you guys with giving you guys outside the box thinking and showing you guys how you can in fact improve your credit um, if you just put your mind to it. Anything is possible if you put your mind to it. Here we want to go ahead and show you that it is possible. So what I'm going to do is I don't have the form. Hold on one second. Like I was saying, I don't have the form that showed what her credit score was. I wish I did, but um, as you can see, today is the 9th of January 2018. She hasn't even ordered her credit report, but when they pulled the credit at the dealership, she had a credit score of $422. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how, by joining our firm or any other firm out there that's credible, um, what it can mean to you by starting to implement credit repair tactics and education to show you guys how you guys could actually increase your guys' score uh, by making subtle changes. So with that being said, today is January 9th, 2018. Keep an eye out for the videos because I'm going to be giving updates on this on a monthly basis. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get the credit report ordered today. I'm going to start on the credit repair today, and then what we'll do is we'll touch bases with you guys in 30 days to give you an update on my client score because this is a brand new client. As of today, it's about 6 o'clock here, California time. The report has not been ordered yet. However, I'm going to get this report for you guys, and I'm going to go ahead and start running her through our credit repair process and show you guys an update in 30 days. You guys stay tuned. Again, my name is Fred Livai. I'm the VP of Sales here to prove my score. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. If you guys know anybody who may have interest in how credit repair can be beneficial to their lives and their family, please share this information with them and show them and let them know. Give me a call. I'd love to give them a consultation, explain to them how we work and how we can go ahead and help them in their situation that they might be in. The number is 1-800-972-3970. That number once again is 1-800-972-3970. Keep in mind we are at the beginning of the year. A lot of people have New Year's resolutions. I have a staff that's very committed, but we are very busy. If you happen to get the voicemail, please leave a voicemail. We will get back with you at the earliest convenience. And with that being said, I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch the video and keep an eye out for the next video so we can go ahead and get this relayed to you guys. You guys have a good day.